Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Freaky Friday, 9:28 and a half a.m., about a minute and a half away from the open here on August 22nd, 2025. This is the daily frame coming in. Functional inside day. We did break the prior day's low, but that was a little tiny inside day to an outside day. And so we're back in the span of travel with a little body, a little bullish body here for now on the Nasdaq, similar on the S&P, and an update now on the Dow. That's a change in the last, I don't know, maybe the last half an hour or so. So looking a little bit more bullish there on the open. Today is Jackson Hole, guys. And so at 10 a.m., Chairman Powell begins to speak, which is in about half an hour. And so things could get a little tricky as we come into the open here. This is my 30-minute frame, guys. This is the range from London. We pushed up on London, kind of rallied quite a bit there in London, right into this area here, went a little bit higher, now chopping around, pulling down a bit and playing the waiting game. Nothing for me to do. A little bit of clean traffic up here from yesterday, a little bit of clean traffic down here, but not that clean given that we have this big rejection wick in the pre-London market here this morning. And so anybody's guess coming in, I'm going to be super patient. This is the S&P, similar picture, but pushing up now into this area here. I wouldn't touch this, of course, anywhere in here on the long side, given what we're seeing on the daily as well. And so I'm going to be very patient coming in, guys. This is my trading grid, the daily, the 30-minute chart, and the 1-minute chart on the right-hand side. I'll sometimes use a 30-second chart here if it's a fast market, but most of the time it's a 1-minute chart. Up above here, guys, you will see I have the open ranges from yesterday. This is the Asian open range from yesterday, right up here. This is the London open range from yesterday. The New York wide amplitude open range encompassed the Asian open range from today, and we had the London open range down here since we sold off in Asia. And this is that grind that you saw on the 30-minute chart. We are now open, guys, and as you can see, we're pushing down for the time being here right on the open. This is my two sisters chart, guys, 1-minute charts of the Nasdaq and the S&P. The 1-minute open range is complete, and that will move out to the right for the rest of the session. 64 points, fairly significant, guys, on the Nasdaq, and 7 3/4 points on the S&P. Nothing for me to do. Super patient here. I will tell you right up front, guys, that I'm coming in today with a default position of no trades. This to me is a no trade, Freaky Friday, Jackson Hole, Chairman Powell about to speak in 28 minutes, and so there will likely be nothing for me to do. I will only consider taking a trade if something super compelling and clean lines up for me that makes perfect sense. But with this daily frame, guys, this little inside action going on here and here, it's looking highly unlikely. Again, we're in this zone on the 30-minute chart as well. You'll notice that the New York open range is simply a wider version of the Asian open range from last evening at 8 p.m. New York time. Same level, just bigger amplitude as is typically the case. And breaking above the open range here, guys. I'm not touching this yet. Into this area. Even if we push up here, guys, I'm not going to touch this. I really do want to see these EMAs clear the open range, either to the upside or the downside, before I even remotely consider doing anything here this morning. Keeping in mind, too, that Chairman Powell begins to speak in less than 20 minutes. I just want to draw your attention to the 1-minute chart here, guys. Notice these arrows. Sent these to my group this morning. Here's what I'm going to do. Just extend these open ranges out to the right. These are from yesterday. Yesterday's London, yesterday's Asian open range. And of course, this is yesterday's New York open range. Notice where we are right now. As long as we are inside of this area, I will not be attempting longs here, guys. It doesn't mean we can't rocket much, much higher here, guys. After this orderly pullback on the daily, we could absolutely break yesterday's high and rally from here. but with Chairman Powell about to speak, I'm a little reticent to jump on anything. And here's a rejection now on the 1 minute chart. All right, guys, we're back after that big explosion to the upside. And nothing for me to do. Obviously, there's no structure here to trade from, so I'm going to watch this for a while. I'm going to delete these open ranges now. Of course, they've become null and void in the face of this. I'm also going to delete the Asian and London open ranges. We'll focus on the New York open range only, which has been left in the dust. Big daily move here, guys, taking out 2 days highs. We have a naked body here on the left-hand side, all the way up to here. We'll see if we close that today or over the next couple of sessions. 30-minute zones, guys. I'm going to delete this one and this one and this one. And I'm going to wait for the close of this candle in 23 minutes to see if this one gets taken out or not. This one gets shifted down. All right, guys, I'm back. It's 10:15. Just listening to the Powell speech in the background, obviously not doing anything here. I wouldn't remotely touch this in this extended move, having broken the high of 2 prior days. Looks like we're going to attempt to close that naked body over here, guys. Some would call that a fair value gap. Various other names for it. Used to call it a slider candle back in the day. But I'll put you back on pause and I'll bring you back in a bit. All right, guys, we're back. It's 10:22 a.m. We got this nice orderly pullback on the 1 minute chart. You see there, rejecting through that zone on the 30-minute. Big candle, of course, on the daily and the 30. Just watching here, guys. Bringing out a marker. All right, buy stop order, guys. Buy stop order. Above that white candle and above both the 9 and the 21. Nice clean pullback here. Very extended, but there's a lot of juice behind this move. And I'm in, guys. I am in just like that. This is a textbook trend continuation move. My unit of doubt is the extension, but there's a lot of energy and fuel. And the fact that we've had such a big pullback on the daily inside of a rampaging bull market allows us to go fairly aggressive on this. Very powerful impulse wave, guys. Very orderly pullback. 9 squeezing into the 21. Really a textbook move. Don't love the extension, but I do love the daily structure that empowers a significant move higher. The fact that we have this naked body over here, guys, fair value gap if you like, and we still have some room to work with here. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. Now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. And while we're waiting here, guys, I just want to reiterate that without this beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down candle orderly pullback against this big impulsive wave, there's no way I'm taking an entry on an extended move like this. But this, coupled with the overall structure on the daily, guys, the rampaging bull market, the fact that we've just come through a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 down day pullback on the daily chart, guys, in a bull market, and then breaking above 2 prior days high. This to me is a resumption feel in a bull market, can absolutely power this thing just to a marginal break of the same day's high after what we just talked about. But as a rule, I shy away from entering big, extended, explosive moves like this. I needed this and I needed this in order to justify it. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game as well. All right, guys, we're back, and as you can see, we've pulled all the way back to my original entry, and so the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has been stopped out at break even, but the 1 hour and 1.5 hour all or nothing traders have been fully profitable so far. All right, guys, we're back. It's 12:32, and I am going to close the last model, the 2R all or nothing model, out right here at break even. Right now at the market, it's a little bit higher than that, but I'm going to close it out at break even, and that will be it for me today, guys. Thanks for joining me today and for this week. Today we had a 1 hour win and a 1.5 hour win, and break even for the other 2 models. Thanks for being here. I wish you an amazing weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.